Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about how easy it is to obtain your real estate license here in the state of Washington. There are 6 steps that I'll be sharing with you on this video, and also providing some resources and how you can find more information. Hi everyone, this is Amanda Aguiar, your realtor here in the Kirkland and Seattle area. And the purpose of this video, it is going to support you if you are thinking of becoming a real estate agent here in the state of Washington. So there are 6 basic steps for you to go through, and I'll be sharing them with you. And as well, on the description below, I will have information and some links for you to where you go to apply, where you go to get tested, and all of that fun information. But starting up, if you're wondering how old you need to be in this business, and the answer is 18 years old. So that is number 1 of the requirements. You only need to be 18 years old if you are interested in getting into this amazing business of real estate. And then going to number 2, you need to complete your high school diploma. Though it's not a requirement for you to have further education, but you need to have your high school diploma. And then number 3, it is completing 90 hours of training within one of the many online or in-person, training facilities available in the Washington state that is approved by the Department of Licensing. I will share one of them just as an example that I think it was really great. They actually provides books. So if you are more the person that actually likes to read, so 60 hours of the 90 hours of training, it is focused on the real estate fundamentals of the state of Washington. And then the other 30, it's focused on the practice of real estate. So completing those 2 areas, it will be 90 hours. If you're doing it online, you can do that on your own pace. And a lot of online training companies out there, they will have mock-up tests for you, which is super helpful. And I very encourage that you actually go through all of them to feel super prepared for your test. And then coming up to number 4, you finish all your training, you completed them, you got your certification that the training is completed. Now you need to put that to test. So number 4, it is getting tested and getting through your exam for the brokerage here in the state of Washington. And then after you pass the test, congratulations. You are gonna go through some background checks, which that is number 5 requirement, just some background checks, informations. And number 6, you will be going through fingerprint process. So it is super exciting that you're stopping and watching this video to understand how to become a real estate agent here in the state of Washington. So just doing a quick recap about the 6 items that you need to look out for is you need to be 18 years old, you need to have your high school diploma, you need to pass the training, the 90-hour training, and once you're past that, you go and take your real estate broker's license test, and you're gonna be going through some background check and fingerprints. So that is the basic for you to get your license and get on that first step in joining us as an agent here in the state of Washington. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any other questions, please add on the comments. How can I support you in your journey of contemplating becoming an agent, or maybe you're a new agent, and how we can help? And then also make sure you subscribe and share with your friends and family, here to support in this journey. So let's do this together. Thanks so much. This is Amanda Aguiar, your realtor here on the state of Washington.